Okay.
So, good evening, sir. So, myself Rakesh Malekar from 7B Division of Mechanical Department. So, I have taken the technical seminar with the night vision in the automobiles under the guidance of Professor Gurudat Dhadi, sir. So, first part, I have start with the abstraction. So, safety and security of the life are the two most booming words in the field of transport and manufacturing. So the world has emerged from being just a simple day-to-day life being a mean and daring machines. So the recent day automotive industries are running towards the endless targets and in the technology aspect with the innovations. So the innovations may concern with the difference. So with the safety purpose in the braking and for the precedents and the some and to the driver also. So night vision system that uses the infrareds and the thermal imaging technology that provides a high resolution visibility to the in the darkest roads to eliminate impact injuries. So after dark, the chances of being in fact fatal vehicles crash goes up sharply through the traffic is way down. So inquet eliminations is one of the major factors in the car crashes that occurs being midnight and on the early morning sessions. So now it picks up the finest traces of light or the heat from the obstacles and transfers into the clear picture. So moving on to the introduction. So unfortunate accidents are nothing but new advanced safety products such as anti-locks, braking, seat belts, so seat belts and airbag. So this system provides an infrared radiation which minimizes non-essential information, placing a greater emphasis on the precedents and animals, allows for a range of 300 meters or nearly 1000 feet, and avoid a dazzle from headlights, road lights, and similar intense light sources. So now automotive safety features such as infrared imaging, light sensors, laser sensors, diodes, semiconductor technologies are surprising human abilities, which can be means which are getting to the safety purpose of human lives. So night vision systems and a DRS technology company has been selected the master distributor for the laser devices. So uh, where the night vision is 100% passive system with without inactive infrared illuminations. So we have the why the infrared active infrared night vision combines illumination of a spectrum range to zero point 0.7 to 1 micrometer with the CCD cameras uh, capturing cameras which sensitive to the light, these lights which captures the thermal heat released uh, from the living things or the light intentions. So it captures it. So active infrared night visions is now commonly found in commercial, residential, and government securities for applications. So for the in the night vision to capture the some this for recording purpose in the dark sections also. So we have the CCTVs cameras. So uh, so moving on to the next thermal imaging. So we have thermal imaging is a heat sensing technology that can see in a complete darkness. So infrared is a part of technology electromagnetic spectrum with the wavelengths uh, that are longer than visible light. So thermal imaging captures the heat from the camera is made such that it captures the heat from and converts into the electromagnetic signals and senses into the unit of the thermal this night vision cameras and intensity that supports direct observation of the amplifying low levels of available light. They do not turn night into day, nor they overcomes the problems of affect vision in low light environments. So these electric impulse are then sent into the form of temperature values to an image signal process, then turns into a video data for presentation in display. So we have uh, with the car vision, night vision system. So we have the camera at the front. So first it is the night vision control unit. That is the first one. Second is the controller display. So and third is the controller which can be set, and the instrument cluster, fourth one. And the fifth one is the button switch which can be turned the night vision camera. And the sixth one is the night vision camera placed at the bonnet front of the car. Okay. So the working is that the front of the car that picks up the heat from the objects and process the thermal signals into the display images on the quarter to video graphics EGQs, uh, QVGA, that displays the 320 to 240 pixel resolutions mounted on the dash of the center of the vehicle consoles. Uh, so the thermal image camera consists of a heat optical element, a thermal imaging sensor. The thermal imaging sensor is made up of multi of the sensor element. Each display pixels in assigned in one such sensor element. So we have the higher temperature and the brighter corresponding pixel with the display. So it has the range of about 980 feet and can put into the direction the vehicle is heading. So now the NRI system is in the Mercedes eliminate everything as if there are high beams of the vehicles. So the control unit accommodates in the front device holder behind the glove box, and the control increases the images from the camera. And so next is this is a picture of view of the BMW where the precedents are traveling on the road. So the car shows the image of the thermal image of the where the shows the night vision camera's thermal image. So we can use that anti-brakings for the precedents, so that the car automatically automatically stops. So in this technology has greater. So moving on to the advantages, accidents are controlled by this, and we have the night vision camera is in thermal capturing, which converts the radiations so into the electrical signals, which then images visible to the human eye. So the accidents majorly controlled, doesn't affect the existing driving style. So there will be no distraction with these inputs. So night vision system can be switched and off whenever it is required. So disadvantages are cost implementation in this system as high, because by the normal cameras, these thermal imaging sensors cameras are morely costlier than the other usually used cameras for the parking purpose and other one. So NRI system doesn't handle fog well, so cannot see through the dense condition. When there is a environment foggy system, the camera sensing gets lower, thermal imaging senses goes a little bit lower. So this is one the disadvantages. So application, it is used in the military usage night vision goggles. So as a for the purpose of firing in the night. So the goggles are used for the night vision. The BMW passives uses far infrared or far near infrared technologies. So Benz uses the active system. And so for the conclusion, we have the lead to information technologies like night vision system. About 42% of fatal can accident happen at the night, according to the European Commission of the Automobile Industry. So the innovation and implementation of the night vision has a greater impact on the automotive sections, such as saving many lives from the death reduction accidents. So thank you.
Rakesh,
Okay, sir.
Rakesh,
Okay, sir.
hello.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Two questions. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Uh, see, night vision. Okay. Uh, During the rainy season. Okay. Okay. If it's raining, it may give the that much accuracy.
So in the rainy season and foggy seasons, it has the some drawbacks, sir. So the night vision cameras should be the higher resolution, sir. So it senses the as the heat emitted uh, from the others as the precedents and animals like, sir. So it senses the heat, sir. So in that cases, the in rainy season and foggy seasons, it some drawbacks are there, sir. So it shows, but
Okay.
it has the some drawbacks, sir.
And as you told, these are the the cost factor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The cost factor. Okay, and these are all there. And it is a necessary. It is an alternative. Okay, it is an alternative.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
it will be used as an alternative with the automobile.
So
Alternative
alternative.
is what you can say the like this vision system, no night vision. Okay,
Okay, sir.
uh, it will
So
be
so your voice is going. So
so the system what you put it okay on the this vehicle.
yes, sir.
Okay, it will maybe a alternative one or it is a permanent one which will be assembled to a vehicle.
So no, it is an alternative, sir. So it can be assembled for the car systems to display the with if we can use, sir. It is so essential for the driver, sir. Driver purpose.
Especially for drivers.
Yes, sir.
In a sense, okay, what you are giving the thermal capability.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think the mainly will be using in the what you can say the forest region in the hilly regions
So it is
or mainly
mainly
for the
for, sir. Yeah, sir. Hello, sir.
just only I was continuing with the next release. It is effective or not? I wanted to ask that one.
Yes, sir.
Because
It
due
is
to
effective,
radiation,
sir.
the picture can be on.
Sir, your voice is going clear, not clear, sir.
Okay, no problem. Continue. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.